Hey, it's Dr. Denke at Select Spine and Sports Medicine, your Friendswood Chiropractor. Today, we're here with future Dr. Briana Hyde. She's been interning in the office for a couple weeks, and we have one more week to go, and then she's going to graduate soon and be Dr. Briana Hyde. So I'm going to adjust her today. She actually just adjusted me. Feel good now. So I'm going to adjust her. Go ahead and lay on your stomach for me. And come around this way. And we're going to start here in the thoracic. I always like to start there and then go down to the lower back and then finish with the neck. So we're going to start right here. She seems a little bit tight here. Now I'm going to have you go ahead and breathe in and then all the way out. Good. Just relax. Nice and easy. Good. Again, in and out. Perfect. Now one more, all the way out. Good. Now breathe in and hold your breath in. Good. Relax. So I do that, breathe in and hold, because it brings that lower back up just a little bit, kind of flattens it out in this lower thoracic spine, makes it easier for me to adjust. I'm going to move up here now to this upper thoracic, lower cervical, and for this, just contact one hand here. This feels really good. A lot of patients tell me that they didn't realize how tight they were in this area until we adjusted it and loosened it up. So we just stretch the head over to the side, and then I'm going to adjust right here. Good. Got a good one there. Okay, now same thing on this side. One more. She's a little tighter on that side than the other. Okay, now let's do the lower back. So go on your side facing this way. And we're going to go here. Good, keep that one straight. Good. Hold right here and here. And then we're going to contact this lower back. Roll you this way. Nice and easy. Very good. All right, now go the other way. That feel all right?
That's great.
Good. Same thing here. There. Good. Good, one more. Good. Okay, now on your back. Feel all right?
Yeah, I'm good. People usually can't get that side on me.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Slide up a little bit more. All right, now we're going to get the neck here. I'm going to loosen this up a little bit. A little pressure and stretch on the back side of the neck here. Soften up these muscles and make it a little bit easier. A lot of people hold tension here in their neck. The base of the skull can create headaches, tension. So this really helps to loosen that up and decrease that tension and tightness, which then creates headache and neck stiffness. Little stretch here. Good. All right, now let's do this side. So I'm going to contact here. I'm going to go to the side and a little bit of rotation. One more. Good. Same thing on this side. Good. Very good. All right, let me give you a hand up. Very good. She's all set now, ready to help me in the office for the rest of the day and one more week. If you like this video, make sure to press the little like button at the bottom and subscribe to make sure you see all the rest of our videos. We'll see you soon.